You guys, what's going on? I got an unboxing video here. This is a package. Came from a good friend of mine. What's going on, everybody? This is an unboxing video. I haven't done this for a long time. Normally I just unbox it and put it in right here on this Honda Fit. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification. And this is here, unboxing. There's I special ordered a package through a friend of mine back in Saskatchewan. And this is basically a shift knob. I don't know what it looks like, but I told her to give me she wanted the design. So I gave her specific things, and yeah, let's unbox this. Here we go. Moment of truth. This is the first time I'm going to see this. Ooh, she packed it. It's really good. Oh, here you go. She's saying thank you. Check that out. And more information. Follow her on Instagram. I'll put it right there. Check it out. Gave me a business card. You guys gotta check her out. Here we go. Whoa. Shit. Whoa. That looks good. That really looks good. Damn. It's pretty weighted. But damn. It's pretty nice. That's nice. I can't wait till I shift gears with this. It's pretty weighted here, but it's light on top, and it comes with, I saw another one, an adapter, so I could change this. I don't even know the thread pitch on this Fit, but yeah, that looks so nice. And she also gave me a sticker, so I'm going to represent this in Ontario. So, shout out to Jessica. Thank you. So, time to put it in. I gotta remove this old one. Then, time to put it in. Damn. I want to hit this. Okay, so that's pretty much the unboxing video of the shift knob that a friend of mine, Jessica, from back home, Saskatchewan, sent me. Look at it, you guys. I'll just zoom in. Look at that. Looks good. Thank you, Jessica. And you guys, you gotta check out her style. She does custom shift knobs. So whatever you guys want, like any design you have in mind, check her out. Check her out. Check her website out. Shout out to Jessica, Travis. Two great friends of mine and car enthusiasts also. Yeah, so check it out. Links on the bio down below, and I can't wait till I try it out, go for a rip with this. I'll see you soon. I just want to do a quick video of it, unboxing shift knob, and check anyways, thank you. And thank you for watching. Check our website. There's a lot of varieties. You can do whatever you want. Choose whatever you need. And if there's a couple of like custom. There's already some designs out there. Yeah. Anyways, so check it out. Anyways, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Peace.